Find up to 5 years of past invoices through our online store. Log into your online store account and navigate to the My Invoices section. You can find My Invoices under your profile name or on the main page of My Account. Immediately, you can view all your open invoices. It will list the amount due, any credits that are on the account, the total balance, and total past due. Using the drop-down menu, quickly filter to any of your invoices that are past due or that you have already paid. Our advanced search gives you more options. You can search by payer or status. You can also search by period with quick options under the drop-down menu or select a custom date range. If you select custom date range, a box appears on the right. Click in the box and a calendar will appear. Click on your starting date and then click again on your ending date to set your range. You can adjust the months by clicking the arrows to the left and right, while the years can be adjusted with vertical arrows. You can search by invoice or credit, along with options for invoice number, article number, or article description. Click Find to perform your search. Once your options show up, you have the ability to click into each invoice or credit, open the PDF, or download or export all items found. Thanks for watching this quick tip about the Nobel Biocare online store.